Ocean Life by Jill McDonald. Let's begin. Flash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. So many living creatures are living over here. Let's go dive in and take a look. Whales. Whales are the giant of the ocean. The blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. Ooh, it's a big. Whales breathe air through a blowhole on their head. How do you breathe, babies? Through the nose. But whale has a blowhole to breathe. One of the ocean creature is just like you. That is dolphin. Whistle. Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Click, click. Sharks. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. E. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in. I'm scared. They are so dangerous. Next is my favorite. You want to see? Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! You can count them all. Good job! Have you ever held a seashell? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them on the beach. Next time, babies, when you will go to beach, surely gather them.
Ah, is it a horse?
Yes, but it's a seahorse. I can quickly change colors to blend in with the background. Help it hide from enemies. Oh, it has the ability of camouflage, babies. It can change its colors.
What's next?
Pinch! Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Pinch!
I know, crab walks sideways.
Yes, good job. And their claws open and close to catch the food. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. Flip, flap, flip, flap. They live mostly in water, but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach.
But what helps the fishes to swim?
Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales, which protect their body and help them move. One more interesting fish is here. Jellyfish have long tentacles, which they use to capture food and sting their enemies. Ouch! You know, babies, it's so painful. Now tell me, which is your favorite animal in the ocean?
Mine is octopus. And yours? Let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe my channels for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Then I added this learning activity with that to tell him about Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean with Himalayan mountains as well. We used earbud sponge for coloring the ocean and triangular cutout of paper to represent Himalayan mountains. Thank you and bye-bye.